Hey, what's up, folks? Mike here from Nutter Gold, and I'm getting ready to show you real quick how to tie a do-rag for beginners, because I myself haven't really worn a do-rag since I was a child. So I'm going to show you real quick how I like to tie it, and let me know whether or not this is a technique you utilize, how you do it, or if there's a better way to do it. If there is, drop a link below to the video so I can learn a much stronger way to do this. But for all you rookies out there like myself, take a look at this video, and I'll teach you how to tie a velvet do-rag. All right? Alright, so first things first, you want to take the do-rag, bam, right? You got it right there. What you want to do is you want to take the center line. As you see, I have a lot of hair right here, so it's not really wave-tastic. Just keep the hair protected. Pull the center line right there in the middle. You want to take both of the tabs, right? Both of the strands. This is a velvet one. So this side's velvet, this side, oops. This side is not. So what you want to do is keep the non-velvet side out. Keep it on, pull it across the forehead, pull around to the back. Now what you want to do is you want to give it a quick tie like that. Just a quick little tie, not super tight, just enough to hold in place, right? So boom, you can let it go. Then what you want to do is take this one, just tuck it in the back. Just let it hang out right there. Then you take this one, you want to flatten it out, get it to the right spot. You want to bring it across the forehead like this. Just like that, right? Again, not super tight yet. Bam. Now hold this one. You want to grab the other one that you let go. Right? So you want to grab that other one that you let go. Take this one. Tuck it in the back. Same spot, just tuck it in the back. Now you're going to take the other one, same deal, separate it a little bit, get it nice and ready, then bring it across the forehead, straight like that. Then, I'm going to take the one you just tucked in the back, loosen that up. Now you got both of them back here, bring this one across. And then you just want to tie it just like that. Boom. Now you want to take the back, pull down a little bit, get some tension. I tuck and bring my ears out. The next thing, you gotta hide the cape if you want. Now, it's up to you. If you want to take care of the cape and tuck it up, that's your thing. If you don't, if you want to keep it out, it's up to you as well. I prefer to tuck mine up. So I'm gonna take it, roll it, and tuck it. And then that's it. Whew. Yeah, that's it. That's all you gotta do. And now you have a do-rag on nice and tight. You're good to go. Now, one of the things people worry about is the lines. What you can do is you can offset these. So you're sleeping, so that you don't get the line, so there's not too much pressure. Like there's not too much pressure on this one. Boom. You can offset them that way. I prefer to keep them like this, because this do-rag has yet to give me any lines. Straight like that. So, what do you think? Does that work for you? Is that quick, fast, easy enough? Is what, 4 minutes and some change? So, that's all it takes to put in a do-rag for the night, and you can just let it go. Now, when you take it off, of course, you want to unroll it. You don't want to go and just yank it all the way off. You just want to unroll it, undo the entire thing. So, start by unraveling the cape, just like that. And then hitting up the knot in the back. Boom. 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 And that's it. Ain't nothing to it. Super simple, super chill, very easy. Any questions, drop in the comments below. and let me know if you have a better way of doing this, a faster way, because that took me way too long. All right? Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. And if you're interested in buying a DuRag, we do have these for sale via the link down below. So, hey, look like the Hero Killer stain. Boom. All right, see it. That did not work. Let me try that again. Hold up. Try that again. All right, see it. Dang it. All right, see it. Ah, that worked.